A sportier edition of the Fiat 500e Abarth was introduced by Stellantis at the premiere of the new film Mission Impossible: Dead Reckoning Part 1. The latest film Mission Impossible: Dead Reckoning Part 1, starring Tom Cruise, will greet audiences this July. Known for its rows of premium sports cars, there is one classic car that takes part in this action film, namely the Fiat 500e Abarth. The latest edition of this car was produced based on the Mission Impossible theme. The ad features footage from the film and moves on to the latest edition of the new Abarth 500e, the tiny electric car that was introduced last year. Later, 500e Abarth will take part in the chase scene on the streets of Rome. Even actress Hayley Atwell, who plays Grace in this film, learns to do drifting with Tom Cruise in the scene. Following the thrilling and action-packed Mission Impossible movie, this car gets a more attractive design. Included is a battery pack with a capacity of 42 kilowatt-hours, which can put out 155 pounds of power. Greater power allows this car to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in just 7 seconds. The larger battery capacity allows this car to travel up to 265 kilometers on a single charge. Not to forget the super fast charging, which allows charging up to 80% in just 35 minutes. Unfortunately, this car is not marketed worldwide. Fiat has confirmed that only 500 units will be sold in the US market in 2024. Until now, there has been no other information regarding which countries this classic-style electric car will visit.